10 May, in early hours of Fajr, Pakistan launched a high-level military air operation named Bunyal Marsus, a decisive move targeting key Indian military installations. According to the report, this operation focused on destroying Indian strategic air defense bases that repeatedly control Operation Sindoor and surrounding the border areas. As the part of this operation, the Pakistani Air Force struck 10 critical military installations across several Indian cities. Those include Chandigarh Weapon Depot, Srinagar Air Base, Rajasthan Military Installation Base, Delhi Military Zone, Gujarat Military Headquarters, Jalandhar Air Base, Pathankot Air Base, and Kutumpur Air Defense System. One of the prime targets was the BrahMos missile system, which is Pakistani identified as the critical asset in India's offensive capability. This strike aimed to neutralize its launching, and Pakistani sources claim those installations were being used to coordinate aggressive military operations in rural areas, leading to death of innocent civilians in Pakistani administration region. That's why they are launching new military operation called Bunyal Marsus. This is Ajker Kotha, Mahmud Hassan.